What are intermolecular forces? So let's break it down. Intermolecular forces. Inter means between and molecular means molecules. So they're between molecules. So we have these carbon dioxide atoms. They're bonded by an intermolecular force. So there's three types of intermolecular forces. We have hydrogen bonds, dipole-dipole forces, and London forces. So hydrogen bonds. They have to have a hydrogen. The hydrogen has to be bonded with a nitrogen, fluorine, or oxygen, and it has to have at least one lone pair. So these two water molecules, they're bonded by an intermolecular force. It has a hydrogen, is bonded with an oxygen, and has two lone pairs. So a dipole-dipole force only requires one thing. It has to be polar, which means one side is negative and one side is positive. And London forces. London forces are universal. All molecules have it. Nonpolar molecules only have London forces, and London forces of a molecule is proportional to the molar mass. London forces also have a temporary dipole moment. So, is it polar or nonpolar? A hydrogen bond is polar, a dipole-dipole force is polar, and a London force is polar and nonpolar. So, if you have the shape of AXN, it will be nonpolar. If you have the shapes of AXEM, it's polar. So relative strength. The hydrogen bond is the strongest, dipole-dipole force next, and London force is the weakest, as all molecules have it. So that's all there is to it.
Created using Powtoon.